Westergaard radius of relative stiffness is where L is the radius of relative stiffness in centimeter, E is the modulus of elasticity of cement concrete in kilogram per centimeter square, H is the slab thickness in centimeter, and mu is the Poisson's ratio of concrete, and K is the subgrade modulus of subgrade reaction, or it is the modulus of subgrade reaction in kilogram per centimeter square. And these are our options. We know that radius of relative stiffness is a parameter mainly used in pavement analysis. Okay, especially it is used for rigid pavements. Okay, and it represents the distance over which a concrete slab can effectively distribute a load to the underlying subgrade. Okay, so it represents an area, and the formula is EHQ by 12K into 1 minus nu square the whole raised to 1 by 4. So the answer is option D. Okay, and if the area is larger or the radius is larger, that means slab spreads the load over a wide area. Okay, and it reduces the stress on the subgrade. Okay, and this value helps to determine critical stress points and load transfer efficiently in rigid pavement design.